Hello everyone, this is Wrestler Carlin. This is my week 4 review video. And for this week we just made an app to show different theaters and different movies in each one, and then clicking them to play the trailer and everything. So this week everything was a little more difficult just because I had a lot of issues with references and deleting files and them still staying there, and I had an issue with my header getting it to load from a nib file and everything. But overall, I ended up getting it all done, and it actually works really well. So, going over the code really quickly, and my view controller, the first view here, this top one, this is what handles my custom header. It just grabs the nib custom header, and then sets all of the variables in here, the image and this label here. It sets the text and everything, and also makes it so the image will fit in there. And then it returns this well, it's actually a table view cell that I had. It returns that and then puts that for the header. And then the next one is for my cells. This one, it gets the true row, which each one of these it goes by each section. So this is like cell 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the next ones are the same thing, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I just put for the index path.row, all of these would be the same 5 that are up here. So I have to add 5 and then add 10 to the index row to be able to get the next section. And it basically just grabs all the information from my data over here, which has all of the stuff, and it populates all the cells and then puts them on here. And then here at the bottom, this is for when you select them. It saves the data over here, the section and the row, so that I can be able to pull up the right information when I click and go to a different view, and it pops the next view on. And that's over here, the detail view. And this one just gets the image pretty much the same way, and all the information the same way, but instead of using the index.path because it's not available here, it uses the data right here, and it uses the section in the row which I saved when I clicked a row. And then, like I said, that just populates it pretty much the same way. And then the button at the bottom has watch trailer. When you click that, it goes to the last view here. And then this does pretty much the same thing as the other ones, where it populates the title. And for the movie, it just basically has a bunch of switch statements for the current section and the current row, and it will set it to whatever trailer it needs to be at trailers.apple.com. And yeah, so that's pretty much the only thing that's on here. And then of course it sets up the player so that the controls are gone and it doesn't autoplay and it's not full screen and everything, and it sets it to the frame size to this view here. This is just a regular view. It sets it to the size of that view. And then the one click is just play and stop. And then also when the view goes away, it will stop the video so that you don't have the sound going on in the background while you're trying to navigate around. And so that's about it for the code. Things I could have done better was this big switch statements inside of switch statements thing here. It was I actually did the whole true row thing afterwards, and I could have implemented it here so it would have been kind of smaller like this. Well, I mean, not that small, but it would have been a little more neat, I guess. And yeah, so that's one big thing that I noticed, because this is kind of large and awkward. So yeah, definitely that could have been done better. So that is all for this week, and I will see you guys next month. Thanks for watching.